911.
Hi. I need a police escort.
Okay, to where?
I'm leaving. I want to leave.
Leave where?
I want 2800 Ravenwood Court.
Okay, and what is your name for me?
Ernestine Black.
Okay. And what's going on, Ernestine?
I'm leaving home. I don't want to have no problems with my husband.
Okay. So is it a domestic issue that's going on?
Yes.
Okay. Is he there with you still now, or is he already gone?
No, he here.
Okay. Has he put his hands on you at all today?
No.
Okay. All right. I'll get an officer to stand by while you try to get into an Uber then, okay?
Okay, it might be unsafe when the officer pull up.
Okay. Go ahead and order an Uber. I'll have him unit headed that way.
All right, thank you.
All right. No problem. Bye-bye.
Maybe from over there. I understand that. What's going on?
There's guns in the house.
What's that?
There's guns in the house.
Okay, what's going on?
That's my husband. I'm ready to go.
Okay.
He drunk. I can't talk. I can't say nothing. I can't calm him down. I think he fell asleep. But I'm ready to go because I don't feel safe. I'm not coming back.
You not coming back?
No.
Where my boy at?
Right up.
He going with you?
Shots fired, shots fired.
Good, sir. Shots fired.
You good?
I'm good. You good?
Yep.
Negative. Active.
Negative, active shots.
Drop the gun!
I'm dead.
Put it on the ground. Not to the ground. Rifle it.
What are we doing?
Sit tight. Put it down!
I can't see him. I don't have a shot. You good?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired. Get units here. Shots fired.
You good?
I'm good. You good?
Yep.
Negative. Active.
Negative. Active shots.
Drop the gun!
I did.
Put it on the ground. Knock it to the ground. Rifle, Evan.
What are we doing?
Sit tight. Put it down!
I can't see him. I don't have a shot. You good?